Today's video is a little different. We're doing a inner and outer tie rod installation. I got some tie rods going to AutoZone or O'Reilly's, getting a rental tool. I got the inner outers, and I got the Amazon special boots. First time I've ever done inner outer tie rods, but I think that doing it myself, it's gonna save me money, and if we're out on the trail, at least I know how to get out of that situation. Basically, let me take this off. Basically, this guy right here is the problem. This guy's clicking all loose. Noticed it when we were wheeling the last couple adventures. We're gonna take this guy off right here. Hopefully it should be easy. Alright, so what not to do, what I said, I should have put the nut, but then I got a little eager and I thought, fuck it. So I mushroomed the head, can't put the bolt back on. So now we gotta go bald and we gotta just hammer this shit out. Latched on right there. So let's tighten this and see if it comes off. They say that you gotta count how many times you rotate it off. Now for you guys that watched my Sedona trip, we went like this. Look at this. That's so bad, dude. That's so bad. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Free play. Ugh. Alright, so let's get this thing off now. All I did was take that notch off, put a little wrench on it, and it just broke loose. Alright, so I'm gonna put the nut back on, and then I'm gonna put this guy. So I think it was like 16 spins. I don't even remember, but so 1, 2, 13, 14, 15, and 16. About 16 rotations. These tie rods are gonna come with this little washer. You're gonna see there's these notches. So that notch actually bites into this right here. So now I know how it locks. Got this Loctite. It's the blue one, so it's not super strong, but it's to keep it tight. All right, so we got that on now. This goes onto a little notch right there. That's it. Do what people say. You go and they tighten it till it feels good and tight, I guess. I just gave it some love taps and I lock this washer in. So that's pretty good. Maybe I'll hit it a little harder. These are the Amazon specials. I don't know. I think this hole's gonna have to be cut, probably. Let's see. No. Alright. So let's slide this. Let's slip this guy on. 16 rotations here. 15, 14, 15, 16. And get this fucking angled in there. Let's tighten this guy. Do 67. All right, let's just get this torqued down. If you work on a car, it's usually the first side takes a while, and then the other side takes like 20 minutes. Look at this, dude. Freaking blown tie rods on both sides, man. That's crazy. Fuck. That was 20 turns. We're just gonna copy that, I guess. 19, 20. I'm gonna just have to get zip ties or some shit for that. But tightened all this, put it to the spec. just like that, the GX is ready to go. It's time to get that alignment. Thank you for watching this how-to. I know I seemed a little rushed at the end, but it's like 90 degrees out here. You're gonna need those tools to separate it. Without that, you're screwed.